Have you ever thought about earning money while you sleep? Imagine a life where your bank balance grows even as you enjoy your favorite activities, spend time with your family, or simply catch up on some much-needed rest. This isn't a fairy tale, but a real possibility with passive income. Passive income is money you earn that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. It might sound too good to be true, but many successful individuals swear by it. First on our list is investing in stocks. When you buy shares of a company, you effectively become a small part owner. As the company grows and makes profit, so does your investment. You can earn from dividends, which are a portion of the company's profit distributed to shareholders, or by selling the shares at a higher price than what you paid. Next up is real estate investment. This could mean purchasing a property and renting it out, or investing in real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. The rent you receive becomes a steady source of income, and if you choose to sell the property later, you can potentially make a profit if its value has increased. Thirdly, consider creating an online course. If you're skilled in a particular field, you can package that knowledge into a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is created and uploaded, it can serve as a continuous source of income whenever someone enrolls. Another interesting avenue is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. You can use your existing social media platforms or a blog to reach potential customers. Finally, consider writing an ebook. If you have a story to tell or valuable knowledge to share, why not pen it down? With platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, you can publish your ebook and earn royalties every time someone purchases it. In summary, passive income is a great way to supplement your regular income and achieve financial freedom. Today we explored 5 passive income ideas: investing in stocks, real estate investment, creating an online course, affiliate marketing, and writing an ebook. Each of these avenues requires some initial effort or investment, but once set up, they can generate income with minimal ongoing work. Remember, the key to successful passive income is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different avenues, find what works best for you, and start your journey towards financial freedom. The path to passive income is not always smooth, but the rewards can be well worth the effort. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, why not take that step today? Explore these passive income ideas and start building your wealth. Good luck on your journey towards financial freedom.